Right now, we're working on our penultimate project. This is 2D design, so it's all of the basic fundamentals, elements, principles of design and art together, and then how to communicate those with a message, essentially. So it's good for people who are doing studio arts as well as people who are going to do commercial and industrial arts too.
These pieces where we turn one object into another, going down. So it's kind of like a gradation, not only in like the shape, but also in the value and color. I'd like to start building my portfolio, and I think that CTC has definitely given me a lot of tools to know how to do that.
Mr. Shi, he breaks everything down to the basic fundamental building blocks.
I want students to feel guided and challenged, while still having room to experiment and develop their own creative voice. It helps prepare students for future art and design classes, but it also builds skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and communication, which are valuable in many different careers. Our CTC students are creative, thoughtful, and hardworking. They bring different backgrounds and experiences into the classroom, and that makes the work and the discussion much richer.
I feel like all the teachers that I've met so far in CTC have been very patient for you to gain knowledge and experience, and so that we're prepared for when we graduate and start a job in art. I think that that's really great, and it motivates me.
The projects are built in a really cool way that it feels maybe like you're going to dial in on something simple, and you see that there's so much along the way, including not just the artistic elements, but the craftsmanship of things. So I think really anybody who's taking this class, whether they're taking it as a part of their program for their diploma or just as an extracurricular kind of fun class, can take something away from it. And it's not just people who I think are artists and artistic in that creative way, but also people who want technical skills too.